to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel, where I talk about all kinds of things that I'm into. And today I'm doing a special edition. I want to share with you one of my garden hacks. Although if you stay to the end of the video, I will give you a special tip. Yeah, so this is something I use just to augment when anything's looking a little sleepy. I use this. This is an oldie but a goodie, and the age of it is testament to how much I've used it and how old it is. I mean, the look of it. There are much more modern versions that seem to get great reviews online. By the way, links in the description to all this stuff I'm talking about today. But yeah, it's the thing that you put the granular fertilizer in, and then you hook the hose to it, and you can water the fertilizer right in. And you buy these packets, some blue packets with granular stuff. You just put it inside the container here, fill it up with water, and then turn on the hose, and out will come this fertilizer everywhere, and it works great. Really turbos everything, including fruit trees, but shrubs, everything. So it's just a good general purpose, easy fertilizer. It's the kind of thing you can get online easily and get a new cool sprayer. And by the way, in the comments, let me know what you think of the Miracle-Gro sprayer or any others. And go ahead and check out those links to get one for yourself. Okay, so here's the pro tip you've been waiting for, and that is how to make natural pesticide you can spray on things which may tend to get buggy. And that is by mashing up a whole clove of raw garlic, several scallions, dish soap, and water. That will repel most critters, including aphids. Of course, your plants will smell horrible, but that's the trade for the natural solution. So, yeah, go ahead and get some Miracle-Gro if that's the kind of thing you're into. It is the kind of thing I'm into. I've got it right here. I'm about to use it. And spray some areas that might look a little tired. They won't after this. Hey, thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified as new videos come out.